All right, we are gonna make for dinner tonight some Power Pressure Cooker XL chili. So to start off with, we got some Brooks chili beans. We like the mild. It's got the red chili beans in chili sauce, so it already has the spices in it. So there are 6 of the small cans.
Subscribe if you subscribe.
15.5 ounces. Normally we get the bigger cans that are the 24-ounce cans, but they were out of them. So we got 6 of the 15.5 ounce cans, making a little bit more. We also like to get the chili ready chopped tomatoes. So we'll get 2 cans of those right in there. Another thing we add into there, 1 whole chopped green bell pepper. Also like to throw in there about 2.5 pounds of ground beef. So here is what it looks like before. I also added 2 cans of water just to give it a little bit more juice in there. I'm going to mix it up, stir up all the stuff from the bottom to the top, make sure it's mixed up nice and good. Close my lid, make sure my vent is closed. Hit the soup setting. Adjust it up to about 20 minutes, so about 30-35 after the steam builds up. Got some piping hot Power Pressure Cooker XL chili. Read to 0. Turn our valve, let our steam out to some awesome Power Pressure Cooker XL homemade chili. Here is our finished chili product, bubbling, nice and hot. Give it a stir. Get all those flavors to going together. Makes for a great dinner. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think.